And there you have it, your very own DIY Jumbo Valentine's Day box. And instead of having chocolates inside, we have fidgets. Hey Princess Squad, it's T here, and Valentine's Day is coming up, and you guys are thinking of what am I going to get my significant other? Well, I am here to show you guys what to make. Today we are going to make a jumbo box of chocolate, and you can fill it up with all kinds of goodies like fidget toys, candy, money, love notes, or any type of little gifts and trinkets that you can find. You can buy the trinkets anywhere, even the Dollar Tree, because they have great stuff there. Okay, let's get started for this easy DIY. Here we have some of my favorite fidget toys, a part of my collection. This one's one of my favorites. I made this one myself. It is a Flaming Hot Cheeto squishy. I also have a rainbow squishy. And this is my absolute favorite here because it's purple and it does this. We also have some pop tubes. My favorite Pop-It. Some monkey noodles. Fidget spinner, Dimples. Some beans. Some wacky tracks. And so much more. For this DIY, you just need a few supplies. You can find all of this at Dollar Tree or Walmart, Target. You need some coffee filters, a pair of scissors, tape or some type of glue like hot glue gun, and of course, red jumbo poster boards. You're going to need 4 red poster boards or whatever color heart that you want to make. Start by drawing a heart. And then you're just gonna cut it. And ta-da, I have made a jumbo heart. All right, so we have one, but we need another one. So I'm just gonna fold this in half to make it easier on myself. And I'm gonna fold this back in half. And I'm just gonna put this on here like so. And all you have to do is trace it with your pencil to get like the shape. And then cut. Now I have 2 hearts. So one heart is going to be the base and one heart is going to be the top. So now we're going to use the extra red papers that we have to make the part in between the hearts. So in order to make that band, we're just going to take this paper and fold it. And we're gonna fold a little bit extra. I'll show you why. So depending how thick you want it, you just need a little bit extra. I'm just gonna fold it the best I can. And this will be one of the edge. So we're just gonna fold it again to keep it the same size. And all you're going to do now is cut this up. All right, I have these strips. And next up, I'm just going to cut slits. So I'm just going to fold a little bit here just to see how thick I want it. I'm gonna do like an inch thick. That way it's secure. And you can just guesstimate. So, and then it should look something like this. So now all you're going to do is cut slits like this. And it should look something like this. Now that we have all of these cut up, let me show you guys what we're gonna do. And we're gonna take a strip, and let me show you. You're just going to put glue or tape here and tape it down. But look, you're gonna make the shape of the heart. So we're just going to add some glue. I decided that I'm gonna use a hot glue gun instead of tape. I think it'll be easier. And I'm just going to put this on here and press it down. And then continue adding more glue. And then press the paper down. Be careful because the hot glue stick could be hot. Also remember to do sections at a time. It looks something like this, but we're just gonna have to go all the way around. So same thing, glue these pieces on. And there we have it, the base of a Valentine's Day chocolate box. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing and make the top. All right, so here I have my two pieces, the bottom and the top. So let's test it out, see if it works. I'm hoping that it does. All right, so far so good. Oh! You guys, I have a jumbo box of Valentine's Day chocolate right here. Oh my goodness, I love it, but we're not done yet. We still have to fill it up with not chocolates, but fidget toys and decorate the top. So to decorate, I'm just gonna get some white paper and I got my markers. All right, there it goes. Will you be my fidget? This is super cute. I love it. Next, we're going to glue it on. So I have the letters that I wrote and the glue stick, of course. So all we're going to do is put it on our heart. Gonna glue my last of my heart down. And it's looking so good. We're almost done. What do you guys think so far? Will you be my fidget? Now it's time for the best part. We're gonna open up our heart box and line it with the coffee filters. And there you have it, your very own DIY Jumbo Valentine's Day box. And instead of having chocolates inside, we have fidgets. But you can fill it up with whatever you like. Fidget toys, chocolate, love notes, trinkets, anything that you want to give your Valentine. You guys know how they say, life is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're going to get. But in this case, we're giving away fidget toys, you guys. So follow us on our TikTok and our Instagram for more DIY fun, and make sure to always dream big, have fun, and be kind. Bye!